Okay, I've been out here last couple days. I was gonna try to use this. It's it's a puller for power steering pumps and put it on and all this stuff would not work. I put that up there. Get around here. I got my GY6 Type 2 engine. The only difference is where the block is, but it's all torn up in pieces right now. But I need a tool to take that off. So I ordered that. Them things are expensive. $30 just to get that tool. Got that side done, all part. Some of the other parts are coming. The oil pump itself, though, I don't know if I don't think I got that yet, but I'm gonna have to weld a nut or something on there to get them out. They're in there pretty good. I tried impact, I tried everything, and not full blast impact. I had a little baby impact and put all the pressure I could to it. It's just it's metal going into aluminum from the heat cycles that they did on this motor. What killed it. But this one's all apart. This one, I got all these parts at the junkyard, tons of parts. So that was the original one off of this. I got this one on here. Trying to do this with you guys. There it is. It's on now. See, I got turn signals. Turn signals, brake lights, but no headlights. So the horn works, the starter works. So I might rig up headlights somehow else because these are supposed to be the other turn signals. Couldn't get them to work. Right here's the headlight. But when I hook it in, it doesn't even work. So that is this. And this bulb is good. So first people are going to say, well, did you check the bulb? Yes, I checked the bulb. Let me get my stand so you can see what I'm doing. But I got all the parts for the big scooter coming. And that way, when I do this, I'm actually learning, so. Because I got something too tight or something there. Let me get you back down here. I'm trying to hook you to my tripod and my camera holder here. But I want to be able to start and stop the videos in case. Alright. There you go. Now, if I take this light assembly, which goes to this console, but this console plugs in the same as the other one. They're all mostly the same. No headlight. And some people are going to say, well, it's got to be running. No, it don't. Now, if I hook the other console on, I think it's something in, don't know if it's that, but I think it's something that someone chopped up in this wiring harness. But this other one, the original wiring harness, has another wire here. or this one has another wire and the other one doesn't. So I don't know if they got to be linked together or not. I'm not going to hook the horn up. This one I started actually taking apart to see how bad the brakes and stuff are and the wiring, because someone got in here and someone hacked this one up. They literally made Swiss cheese of certain parts, because brown and yellow might go that way, but I don't know. And see, here's where the single wire hookup is. I'm thinking maybe the yellow wire or the other wire is a hot wire. I don't know. Now, this one, if I hook everything up, the turn signals don't work. I know people look at it and say everything ain't hooked up. A lot of stuff doesn't hook up. And this one's got a broke piece for your turn signal anyway. And all the wires are same colors, matching. This one's got so much stuff on this one, extra, that I would like to get away using the other harness. But this one actually works. Let's see if I can get the light up. See, look. So, I'm thinking it's something to do with that other one wire. But I don't know. I really don't. But I got everything that works on the other one. Did I hook up? Yeah, that was right. I think it was a 2-prong, wasn't it? Or yeah, this one right here is a 3-wire. That's a 4-wire. But all the connectors are the same. I just got to trace it down to figure out which one it goes to which. So this one I'm setting aside, like I said. We got turn signals, horn, starter, kill switch, everything on this one that work. All that I can actually show you does work. I don't know if it's gonna start, but kill switch works. You seeing that? Yeah. I didn't hook something up, guys. I didn't hook it back in, that's what. And see, this is the one where I got to figure out what that yellow wire is supposed to go to. Aha, right there, guys. This yellow wire on the bottom. Big heavy yellow wire is not hooked up. Found it. So I gotta try to get that over there. Alright, let's see. Still got power on. Now it's making a fool out of me again. Let me see. Aha, I unhooked the ground wire. I've been doing that a lot. Right here. They need refixed and crimped. And this one's got some blue wires. Blue, yellow, white, and green. Oh, that's it. That goes this. I bet you what the problem is. Need to take out yellow wire. Now let's see if we got brake light. Yeah, we got brake light. Now, let's see if we can get start. Nope. You know it runs because you see me ride it. And the kill switch works, see? Well, anyway. It needs a accelerator pump, the vacuum pump, or the carburetor. It's one of the two. But, where's that wire? And right there. The yellow wire's over on this one, and it's over on that one. I bet you if I switch them over, actually, I wonder if I take a piece of wire. I'm going to make sure it's all. Let's hook the bulb in. Alright, the bulb's already hooked in. I'm going to run a wire from one side to the other. Ah! I know, I'm acting goofy. Didn't get much sleep last night. We need to... Right here. This is a welding wire. The only thing it'll do, if it don't work, it'll heat this welding wire up. It'll be just like a fuse. Might not be making contact. No, but think it is on that side, but I don't think it is on the other side. I'm going to try to. Thought that was it. It looked like, I thought it was an aha moment. Alright, definitely got it stuck in there now. Guess not. I do know that's where it's got to go. But then I still got to figure out where some other stuff's got to go. I still have a blue and a green. So, well, anyway, you've seen what I'm doing. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You didn't, thumbs down. At least you watch one. Please subscribe. And bye till later. Thanks for watching.